Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are understanding how to create supplier purchase order format. So let us quickly navigate into purchases and suppliers. Here we are able to look at all our created vendors. So we can look at the created vendors. There is a supplier code, a name associated with these. So let us go ahead and modify one of the vendors. In this, we will go ahead and see that there is a document code prefix that can be added. So for customers who are looking to add an additional prefix, which would make the purchase order even more specific to the particular supplier for which the purchase order is being generated. So you can go ahead and add the document prefix here. So let us assume that for Jackson & Co, we have JC as the document prefix. I can go ahead and save this information. Simultaneously, you can do that for all your different suppliers. Once you've added the document prefix for all of these, then you can head back to settings. Under settings, we have code format settings. Inside code format settings, I would select the drop down and select the respective code format that I want to select. So I am going for purchase order. I'll be selecting purchase order. And then I'll be able to look at the current code that is being displayed right now. So in my current code, I see the fiscal year along with P001, which is the number which is being generated with every purchase order. So that is the current code. If you want to change how the format looks like, so we will go ahead in this document prefix portion, and then I will go ahead and I'll remove the fiscal year, for example. And to add the supplier code, I would use SUP as the prefix. Here also we can see in the note that we can use SUP in curly braces if we want to add the document prefix with the supplier prefix. That is what needs to be done. So ensure that within the curly braces you have SUP written, and then you can go ahead and say apply and save this information. So you will see that the code format has been successfully updated, and then we can head back to purchase orders. So we'll click on purchases and purchase orders, and now I'll create a new purchase order. So in this scenario, I see automatically as I created a new purchase order, there is this code, which is the pre-generated code for the entire location. Now, as soon as I select my supplier for which I had set the document prefix, Jackson & Co, I see that it has changed to JC. So JC has been added, which is Jackson & Co prefix, on top of the default purchase order code format. So this is how I'd be able to add my supplier code in the purchase order code. Thank you for your patience.